Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix the problem of not working on the application of Clapper. You go to settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find apps. You will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page you will search about the application of Clapper and you will click here. Then in this page you will go to permissions. You will check if all these permissions are allowed of camera, microphone, music and audio, notifications, photos and videos as you see. You can also choose or allow these permissions of location, for example, and contacts if you want. Then you will go or you will return again to this page of app info. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage and here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Clapper and when you will find it you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.